and Glamour, Venice. Dwayne Johnson and Emily Blunt shine at the Smashing Machine premiere. Venice turned into the center of Hollywood magic on Monday night as two of the industry's brightest stars. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson and the ever-graceful Emily Blunt graced the red carpet for the world premiere of their new film, Smashing Machine. Johnson, known for his larger-than-life presence, arrived with his signature charm, while Emily Blunt stole the spotlight with elegance and sophistication together. The duo brought a wave of excitement to fans and photographers, making the event one of the most talked about moments of the Venice Film Festival. The Smashing Machine is already building buzz as a powerful and emotional story, combining Johnson's raw energy with Blunt's magnetic performance. The chemistry between the two stars lit up the red carpet just as much as it's expected to electrify the screen. This was more than just a movie premiere. It was a dazzling night of power, style, and Hollywood's finest coming together in the city of Canal. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe our channel.